So I'm going to start on the crust for the cheesecake. I'm going to take the biscotti. You don't want any lumps in your crust, so you want to make sure all the cookies are evenly ground. So now we're ready for our melted butter, and the butter will bind the cheesecake. So we're just going to pour the butter right on the top there. And we're going to blend it again. Okay. So we're going to put it on the bottom of our springform pan. Now I'm going to pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And so now I can get started on the filling for the cheesecake. So we're going to start with the ricotta cheese. I'm just going to slide it right in there. We're going to add 2 8-ounce containers of cream cheese. And now we're going to add some sugar. 3/4 of a cup of sugar to sweeten it up. There we are. It's getting smooth. I'm just going to clean down the sides. And you want to do that from time to time. Just clean down the sides to make sure that everything is incorporated. All right, now we're ready for the honey. We're going to add some clover honey, which is, it's sweet and flowery. It thickens it, but it also adds a little bit of that flowery sweetness that makes it fresh, makes the cheesecake really fresh. And now we're going to add some orange zest. So we're going to use about a tablespoon of orange zest. It's so fragrant, so it'll lighten the aroma and the flavor. Looking good. So 1 egg at a time. We'll crack it and just add it in. Okay, 1 last egg. Oh, it looks perfect. And this is the texture and the consistency you're looking for. It's kind of like yogurt, creamy yogurt. I'm baking the cheesecake in a bain-marie or a hot water bath. It helps keep the cheesecake moist and cook evenly. And I've wrapped the springform pan with aluminum foil to help keep the water from seeping in. So this honey ricotta cheesecake is as easy as pie, but so much better.